The Rubbermaid Roughneck is a durable container. I use them for lots of storage purposes, but this smaller 10-gallon size, I use this one as more of a tote. It does come with a lid, but because of the kind of good size handles and they're made to hold a lot of weight, the design, as you can see, is easy to clean, but it's also got some structure to it, so it can hold some weight. It's a more durable material than a lot of the transparent stuff that's out there, and it's certainly stronger than some of the straight-walled stuff that's out there. So this staggered construction or design allows it to stack really easily, but I think it also gives it that rigidity that makes this such a strong tote around the house for just moving things around. But I also like this out in the garden for just mixing soil, for moving things. Again, great handles that are no moving parts, easy to clean, and a good durable material. And made in the USA. I think they're made in Ohio. Hope this helps.